Hey everyone, what's up? Is your Roku remote not working properly? Don't worry, in this video I will show you some quick and easy fixes to get your Roku remote working again. Let's start the video. Step 1. Check the batteries and connections. One of the most common reasons why a Roku remote may stop working are dead or faulty batteries. So, the first step is to check if the batteries are charged and placed correctly. Open the battery compartment on the back side of your Roku remote and replace the old batteries with new ones. Make sure they're inserted correctly. If the batteries are not the issue, check the connections between the remote and your Roku device. Make sure there's nothing blocking the signal between your remote and the Roku device. The infrared remotes need a clear line of sight. So, if you have anything like a stack of books or a vase in the way, move it out of the way. Step 2. Repair the remote with the Roku device again. Follow these steps to repair the remote. Press and hold the pairing button on the back of the remote until the LED light starts flashing. Wait for the Roku device to recognize the remote, and then release the button. If the pairing is successful, the LED light will stop flashing, and the remote should start working again. Keep in mind that not all Roku remotes have to be paired. This step only refers to enhanced remotes. You can check which type of remote you have by just removing the battery cover and seeing whether there's a pairing button or not. Step 3. Reset your Roku device and remote. If repairing the remote didn't work, you can try resetting both the Roku device and the remote. Here's how to do it. Remove the batteries from the remote. Unplug your Roku device from power. Wait about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Once the home screen appears, insert the batteries back into the remote. Wait for the remote to establish a connection with the Roku device. Step 4. Use the Roku mobile app as an alternative remote. Download and install the Roku app on your smartphone or tablet, and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as the Roku device. The app offers similar functionality as the physical remote, allowing you to control the Roku device, browse channels, and search for content. And that's it. With these tips, your Roku remote should be working again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.